Cottage charm, convenient location, and a great lot with plenty of space. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home needs nothing but you. Every detail has been perfectly considered. The open floor plan home offers luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the house and a well thought out floor plan. The kitchen is perfectly centered between the living room and dining room and shows off its style with white shaker cabinets with soft close drawers, stainless steel appliances, and the ever popular and beautiful, fantasy brown granite counters. The dining room is large enough for a big dining table and leads to the screened-in back patio. Both bedrooms are spacious with the additional one having access to the hall bath. The master bedroom has 2 large closets and is an ensuite with double vanities and an oversized shower. All full-size windows and doors are wired for a security system and all windows have custom roller shades. Each exit door has an added storm door that lets in a lot of natural light. Parking is no issue with an oversized 1-car garage and an additional covered carport. The exterior of the home is low-maintenance vinyl siding and includes gutters and window protection shields. A generator transfer switch has also been added to easily connect a generator in times of need. Storage is no issue either as there is a nice yard building with power that provides extra space to store your stuff and there is an RV parking pad already in place with 30 amp service. Plenty of space on your property for all of your toys.